Good evening, guys. So guys, we'll be sharing to you the new update for this cabin. At least you see this how to make it here. Look at that. So now the walls of this cabin, they are mostly it's 80% already done. Yeah, so maybe tomorrow will be finished everything, and then the last is painting and lights. We'll put it the lights, so that's why. So this is how to make it the cabin here in Saudi Arabia. So this is office also and room. This is make here. Yeah, because this one is the remote area, they cannot possible that building, because the building is mostly in the city, and here are making like this because it's temporary basis to here in the project. Mostly the project around maximum 10 years or more if they are extend or any other new project, so we'll make it to extend only. See, look at that, so beautiful and very wide, huh? So almost 80% they are made. So look at that. So see, it is the status now. So very fast, huh? I think that is the mid of this is last 2 weeks. 2 weeks, yes. Last 2 weeks is now it's 3 weeks. So look at that. Yeah. So then after that there are flooring. We are making paint also. Yeah. They are making first will be put it in the what is called the more is tiles or vinyl tiles, sorry, vinyl tiles, and then after that after preparation of that, then making paint, or otherwise their first coating is paint. I think it's gray, mostly gray, or after paint they are put it in the vinyl tiles. This one all still yeah, steel sheet. Yeah, steel sheet. So how many steel sheet there are? See, 1 2 3 4 1 2 3, sorry, 9 steel sheet they are using. I think this the size is half inch size. Yes, this is strong, right? It's strong. Look at this. This is the materials they are using here. Plyboard. This is good for the water and fire, so that's why they are using this on plyboard. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Have a good day. So I think this is one around 1 week they are shipping this one, so I will give it to you the last update for this cabin. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good day. Please subscribe, shares and likes. Thank you guys. Bye.